Hi, I'm Amanda from the Raw Food Kitchen. Raw to me means having a deep inner knowing that you can confidently choose foods that serve your body in the best possible way. Listening to your body, gaining the knowledge and confidence to keep your body healthy. Remember, you are the master of your own destiny. Raw means freedom. This is my message. This is my way of life now that I've healed my body using plant-based foods as medicine over the past 8 years. And this can be yours too. Mastering detox protocols, gut healing and fasting, learning how to make amazing recipes quickly and easily, reconnecting, listening, learning and trusting again. Gaining more energy, clearer moods, easy weight loss, clear skin, love, joy, passion, having the best health ever. This is what the Raw Food Kitchen offers you. I guide you every step of the way. With the right know-how, tools and support, you can achieve your health goals, reconnect to your body again, learn to use food as medicine. I show you how easy it is to eat well, to feel well. So take the first step, join me, subscribe, bring a friend, let's do this. You're just one click away from a new world of health and happiness. See you soon.